This is the Porsche Boxster 718, Porsche's mid-engine roadster that blends everyday usability with sharp handling. Welcome to RevvClub. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the 718's performance specs, purchase price, depreciation, insurance, fuel, servicing, common faults, and a realistic annual ownership example for buyers in the UK and the US. Watch this before you buy. Let's start with the basics. The 718 range uses turbocharged flat-4 engines in the base, and S models, typically a 2.0-litre in the base, making roughly 300 brake horsepower, and a 2.5-litre in S models, making around 350 to 365 brake horsepower in certain variants. Some purists preferred the earlier flat-6, but the 718's Turbo 4s deliver strong mid-range torque and lower emissions. Acceleration varies by model and gearbox. Expect roughly 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 4.2 to 5.1 seconds depending on spec. Economy is better than bigger Porsches. Typical mixed figures sit around 27 to 35 miles per gallon in UK, and roughly 22 to 30 miles per gallon in US, depending on driving. On to purchase, price and depreciation. New 718. Boxster prices in the UK historically started around £50,000 to £55,000 for base models before options, and in the US base pricing began roughly around $60,000. Used 718 examples vary with year and spec. Expect to find decent used cars in the UK from around £30,000 to £45,000, and in the US roughly $35,000 to $50,000 for well-kept examples. Early depreciation hit higher mileage examples more, but desirable trims and low-mileage cars can hold value relatively well. Insurance is usually reasonable for a Porsche sports car, but depends on driver profile and trim. In the UK, experienced middle-aged drivers typically pay around £800 to £2,000 per year for comprehensive cover on a Boxster 718. Performance S or GTS models push that higher. In the US, annual insurance commonly falls in the $900 to $2,500 range, depending on state coverage and driving record. Options, modifications, and track use will raise premiums. Fuel and everyday running are relatively affordable compared with larger sports cars. Premium petrol is recommended. For moderate annual use, say 3,000 to 6,000 miles, expect fuel costs in the UK of about £800 to £1,500 per year. In the US, typical annual fuel costs sit around $900 to $2,000 depending on mileage and driving style. Servicing and maintenance on the Boxster 718 are mid-range for Porsche ownership. Routine minor services often cost between around £300 and £700 in the UK if done at independence, and between $400 and $1,200 in the US at dealer rates. Major interval servicing and items like spark plugs, brake fluid, and other scheduled replacements push costs higher. Budget around £1,000 to £2,500 per year in the UK for a typical ownership cycle, and roughly the same in the US. Some early 2.0 turbo models had ignition coil or software-related faults in certain markets. Check service history for recurring coil or sensor replacements. A good set of tyres for the Boxster commonly costs around £600 to £1,200 in the UK depending on size and compound, and $700 to $1,500 in the US. Brake pads and discs are moderate. Expect pad replacements more often with sporty driving, and full discs to be a few hundred to over £1,000 or dollars per axle, depending on material and whether you choose upgraded options. The 718 is generally robust, but watch for cooling system components, oil leaks on higher mileage cars, and occasional electrical or sensor faults. The turbocharged engines are not prone to the IMS bearing failures of much older Porsches, but turbo systems and associated plumbing can be costly to repair if neglected. PDK gearboxes are durable when serviced regularly. Ensure transmission fluid changes are up to date on PDK examples. Putting this together into realistic annual ownership figures for a middle-aged driver, using the 718 moderately in the UK insurance, around £1,200, fuel about £1,000, servicing and maintenance around £800 and tyres, check contingency around £1,000, giving a rounded annual total near £4,000. In the US, similar math gives insurance around $1,500, fuel about $1,200, servicing around $900, then tyres and contingency around $1,200, putting you close to $4,800 per year. Some buying tips before you commit. Always ask for a full service history and check that recommended software updates and recalls have been completed. Inspect cooling hoses, intercooler pipes, and ignition components on turbo models. Prefer cars with independent specialist servicing if you want to save on long-term costs, and get a pre-purchase inspection from a Porsche specialist that checks engine, turbo plumbing, gearbox service history, and body condition. If the car has a history of track use, factor in imminent wear on tires, brakes, and possibly clutch. Final verdict, the Boxster 718 is an excellent mid-engine roadster that offers thrilling handling and relatively attainable running costs for a sports car. It won't be as cheap as a mainstream hatchback, but for a Porsche-level experience, the ownership numbers are reasonable. If this sounds like the car you want, the 718 is a compelling choice. If you found this useful, hit subscribe to RevvClub for more ownership cost breakdowns, and tell us in the comments which car you want covered next. Thanks for watching.